is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Pay me my salary. I want to marry. Ah, 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 ah. Where is my shoes?
Hello, my people. I dey welcome when I come this program. What would they call Area Tori? Area Tori na the program where they bring different Tori where they happen for our area. If una they follow us every time when I go, they hear the Tori where they carry come give una. And this program they come to una from Procyon radio and television. If una they watch us, una go see our number for screen. If una know they watch us, make I call the number for una. May una call us if una get Tori where una want give us where we will take talk for this medium. Make una just call us for this number 080 94 64 6206, and the second number na 080 97 99 1989. I want welcome when I come this program what they call Area Tori, and today as we dey for studio we dey with Grace Adebayo.
Good afternoon, good evening, good morning.
I also deal with Gloria Enoch for studio today.
Now welcome my people.
Una when they watch also they listen to us, I want welcome una to the program. I hope say una dey kakaraka, una full ground kampe. God go dey carry us, they go through the journey of life. May nobody fear for this kind of season and this period where we do. Make una no fear anything, because God don't know say all these things go come to pass. And it go come to pass, God will keep us, preserve us. Make una no fear, make una no worry on ourselves. Those who they worry themselves go they get hypertension. You get one woman way fall one time like that, like last week. The woman just fall, come they do like this, do like this. When she come out for ATM, she no see money. Make una no worry on herself, and they tell una for Area Tori, when they tell una say, make una no worry, you go better. The topic we want carry come today na Valentine topic. Valentine topic. Now when they carry come, how it be for Valentine? Now when I go here for this studio today. My name is Sarah Agbon. Make una dey with us. Na better topic. Move they carry come. Valentine wahala. Make una no let am happen. So this story where I want talk now, na the story of Valentine. How Valentine they be for some area. The particular one where I want to talk about, na the one where we say, girl do Valentine, you can't end up with belle. Now that one I want to talk about. When they hear me, girl can't do Valentine. No be married woman, no, na girl, young girl like this. So Grace and Gloria, this particular girl for my area one time, then they do Valentine. All these young girls where they come up, we never reach anywhere. You can't get this particular boy. What can't to say him like her? Now in the girl, man. You know, as people they wear red for Valentine.
Yes.
And the girl can't go find red clothes. Wear then light that color wear for Valentine.
Hey.
Anyhow. You go come see innocent girl we don't know anything about Valentine. She Valentine then believe say na the day of lovers.
So
You understand? The day where we say, I go love you, you go love me. Now, I believe be that. Not be to share love. No say na the day where you go share love, even between the less privileged, the people where we say they no say anybody don't ever care for them before. You go come go share love with them. You go come go give them gifts. Anything where you get, you go orphanage. You go other places. Between families, father go carry children with between mothers and children too. If their father no dey, mother fit pack her children, and they explain to una gradually in layman language how Valentine is supposed to be. So then if the father no dey, the mother herself fit pack her children, come celebrate Valentine to show them say this day na the day when we're supposed to care for each other. And then if the father come there around, the father go pack all the family, mother and children. No leave your children, no. Now plus children, you know, be saying na only husband and wife. No say some people believe saying na my husband. Can't leave children. Some go even lock children inside house. Carry key go, make them they sleep. Come come go only husband and wife go come dress, come dey wear something wey red dey on top, white, some go wear some again go say no, that one no be matured color. Na mature color they need. Some go find blue like that, or color wey dem feel say na their favorite color. Come do, you know, to match, husband and wife to match. Come carry their self, they go chop wetin they want chop that day, forget the children for house, forget any other person wey dem know. No be so. No be so. Na that day, even the money wey you get to chop, as long as you don share with your family, you fit ex ten d am go person wey you know say you wan make am happy that day. Let you, so that you go know say the person go know say hey, so person fit show me say he like me, make I, then the person go happy. Na that kind one we dey talk, una dey hear me. And e get some places again where dem dey organize that kind of Valentine celebration. Make una go come go there, go sit down, dey laugh. Maybe una don quarrel before, even with your friend o. With your friend or with your neighbor, e fit be say na that day una go reconcile. Say I don forgive you, make you forgive me. You understand those kind of things? So those young girls, they no know. They feel say na the day wey be say I go find boyfriend go come carry phone. One boy wey dey admire one girl, one time go come carry phone, dey call am say, you know say I love you, I wan carry you go out Valentine. If I carry you go out, I give you food, you chop this, you chop that, you chop whatever, I love you. Na only that day. Na only that day be the love wey they want celebrate. Then the girl now, that particular girl, make her go back to her story, make we no dey carry it away. I just explain to them how Valentine dey suppose be. So now this girl come carry herself, come go follow this boy. Now they come go do bad thing. The girl dey feel say the boy dey love her, and the boy dey feel say Valentine Day na the day wey dem suppose do that kind bad thing. You know? They, because they no know. They come, as it's bad thing come happen, now the girl come get belle. Things come dey change for her body before people come discover say, see wetin dey happen. Before the family go come discover, say wetin happen. She say na one boy wey say he love me. After that day, she no see am again. The thing don end. The boy come dey hide sef. As the boy come dey hide, now the girl the you know say that the seed wey dem sow, you know dey hide. He must comot, he must show.
Germinate.
He go germinate. Now the girl come see say, Tom, as the people, her parents come dey tell her say, wetin happen? How e take happen? You wey we no know with this kind character. How e take happen? Now the girl come tell them how e take happen. Na Valentine Day. The boy tell her say him like her. You know, that thing, you know, be say it must be in the night. The girl comot, na daytime she take comot. Now the thing go happen. Na so, na the Tori be that. The girl come carry belle. The boy change her life. The boy change her life completely. Life wey they no fit correct. It don't happen. It don't happen. So how e be Grace? Valentine Day now for man and woman to carry young girl and secondary school children. This thing dey inside their brain like waiting. They will say Valentine.
Well, Valentine, as all of us been know, say na period we be saying. I mean that time we be say all of us they celebrate love. Even that time self, when I been there secondary school, as you don't mention secondary school.
Yes.
We dey celebrate Valentine. Then everybody go write everybody name for inside class. On that Valentine Day, you go pick different people name. So we go create something like small gathering. We go sing, we go clap, we go dance. People go do display. We go come give special number. If you want do your own dancing, you get one skills where you want show people, you go do them. Then the person where you pick a name, you go be able to come give am gift. If na pencil, if na eraser, you go share extend love. But as I come dey grow, as I come say time don dey go back, because you say Valentine don dey get different shape, we don dey get different meaning. Come dey get as everybody come dey take dey understand as the Valentine come take be. So, and for my house too, as I come dey grow, I see say as I dey grow, on that Valentine Day, my popsi go just give us money, say mo no follow any man o. we will go do Valentine. So go give us money, maybe go feel say, oh yeah, I'm gonna carry this car, we gonna go out. So you go give us money, we'll go out, go chop food, enjoy ourselves. Then
With
they
your
go give
brothers.
us, yes, then they go give us time, we could go enjoy.
Exactly.
Then we could do quick, come back house.
Okay.
Then, but now with this story where you talk, na the thing where they invoke for Valentine be that. Na period be say go see young girls and young boys wey get bright future. Dem go dey wait for February 14. Make dem go do wetin dem no suppose do. Make we no forget say the main reason for this Valentine's, as Sarah don been talk, the main reason na to share love for people say wey no even feel love, people wey no even know wetin love be, or people wey dey less privileged, people wey no get who go tell them say take o, I love you, you are important o, you are special o. So I see say na wetin be the main thing for Valentine be that. So for we young ones wey dey out there, make we know say any step wey you take, wey you go do am in a wrong way, e go change your life completely. Wey be say you no go fit ever, you know say you get something wey be say, e be like say if you use pencil right now, if you look for cleaner. If you use biro right, you no go fit clean am. You go try where you cancel am, but that thing, if you cancel am, you go see dey rough, you go get as e be. So na so, if you go make mistake, enjoyment wey no go last for some minutes, wey go just last for some minutes, come use am come take destroy your life. No be like that. And also for this Valentine season, no come do pass your power. Whether you be married man o, married woman o, you be young man o wey get fiancé to marry, no do pass your power, because Valentine go and plenty Valentine go still come.
Yes, Grace. I tell you hold am there. I want we go come to that place.
Okay.
Make Gloria tell us how the Valentine, how you understand how Valentine be. The way our children they do Valentine now.
So for me, e no too concern me because I know they do. I be grandmother. They see for my area. As we dey talk, so some children don't they think of this color way they talk. And me, I don't ask the one they say, na red una dey wear today. They say, Coco, na Valentine. I say, hey, so Valentine get the own color. He say, yes, now. Touch of red, some go wear white, they go use the cap for red. Some will even plant their hair with the red ribbon. Take white, do for one side.
You see?
That's Valentine, then they celebrate. So I don't even ask them that time, say, this one what they do? Hope. Now for Agbon, I go do, I no do across that road. The one I do, so if you pass one around this village, if you not cross one, I will go outside. Now wahala make una no go do Valentine, go bring Valentina o. We dey go laugh say Coco, you want know them. I say yes, no, because me I dey chook my eye put for ground. They look as una dey waka.
Yes.
And they always advise small girls from my area, even boys. If they talk, they say Coco, you don't bring your own. I say yes, so I don't bring my own. Even as I dey studio, so then if them they watch me for house, they go here say Mama don't talk am before. I still repeat am for here now. As una dey comot so, abeg I tell God make una do am well. No be say you man wey be say you don hide this small girl since, just as dem talk am now. Na because of Valentine you go take am deceive am say, you see, I go dey somewhere wait you that day. I go carry you out in the name of Valentine. You go spoil person pikin.
You don't even know whether na thief
you don't know whether you want the money when you go thief. Then you want take am go say you wan spoil the girl. And so call boys wey don grow, mature girls and boys. Now then they ready. If you no buy me Valentine gift, I will not be happy with you. Go see English go dey comot now. English go dey comot. Man go dey promise girl. Girl man go say, the man go say, wetin you go give me in return? He say, wait till that day now. You will see what I will give you. Just ready yourself for me. I will be available.
They make I tell you for this Valentine when they happen now. You know as fuel wahala dey for ground. You know as this money should come dey. You understand? You know e be like say this one no go hot. Because as all these things come dey ground, many people, especially you know say our married men, they go come dey use that one like as excuse now. You don't
You don't
understand.
hit be that.
Though we no talk say make una kill una sef for Valentine. They make una show us love.
Yes.
We did there. So make una just show us say yes, we care for you. We go fit to buy small thing like this. Men una dey hear me. Anywhere where una dey, make una show care for una. Even if you go work that day, at least
something for us.
even if na small sweet you see buy for your wife,
Yes.
give am. Make she know say you remember am that day.
Yes,
Make you dey go. If you no get time for the woman, but if you know say you get time for the woman, you know bad, carry your wife, carry your children if you get children. If you no get children, then no wahala. Make you just carry your wife, dey go. If you know say you still no get chance again, I dey tell una now, make una dey hear this Valentine suggestion wey I dey give una. And you know say you no still get chance again. Because you know say our men dey work for us well
Yes,
well.
so.
God go bless them.
Amen.
God go open way for them. God go give una money.
Amen.
God go give una anything wey una want.
Amen.
By the special grace of God. So you know say you no see chance again. If you just get only one pikin with one wife, or you get children, you fit give the woman say, oya, see o, I no go see chance carry una comot. You mother carry these children comot for me. Make them also know say
Something like
their
this
father
dey
dey
go on.
also work because of them. You understand? I no mean say make una go carry everything put for head. No. Any little thing wey una get as I talk, even if na sweet, even if na biscuits,
Na so.
make una just make sure say una make your family happy. If you get plenty money, abeg make una visit orphanage. Na the advice wey I wan give una because we dey wrap up this program now as e be. And with the program, make una no forget say una dey watch am and lis ten to this program for Procyon radio and television. We dey bring Valentine matter come give una. So with the advice, you get plenty money, go orphanage, go hospitals, people dey hospital,
Visit
wey dey
them.
lie there, go visit them, help them, give them money. All this rehabilitation center, everywhere, all these people wey dey street. E get one picture wey I see of one young guy during Christmas. He go Kano Road. He go Kano Road, cook food inside only one cooler. Na the way wey he get money reach. He cook the food, see the people dey happy. He come dey first small dey share for them. You understand?
Yes.
If like 50 people comot with small food flags, go give those
Don't go
people.
far.
You know say we don cover that place with
Na
that.
so.
So make we dey try to make people wey dey our environment, our area, make we make them happy. No be say we go laugh them. No be them put themselves inside that situation. So with this grace and Gloria, we don't come to the end of the program because we don't chop time too much for the talk. So we no feel wrap and talk another thing again. So we want talk say abeg if una get Tori for una area wey una wan give us, wey una call us for 080 94 64 6206. This number will surely reach us. And the second number na 080 99 080 97991989. No, una just follow the number, they go like that. This program they come to una from Procyon radio and television. And I want to appreciate my people for Studio Grace. Thank you for
very
coming.
much.
And Gloria, thank you for coming. My name na Sarah Agbon. I dey tell una say bye bye. Make una do Valentine well. Make una dey shine like the star wey una be.
Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to marry. Oh, 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 oh. Where is my shoes? Where is my clothes? Baby, my salary, I want to